Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download mileage tracking for real estate with MileIQ. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download MileIQ for mileage tracking in real estate, begin by opening your preferred app store. For iOS users, go to the App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type MileIQ and press enter. Locate the app in the search results. Tap on the MileIQ icon to access the app page. Once there, click the download or install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After installation, open the MileIQ app. You will be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're a new user, select Sign Up to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your details. Once your account is set up, grant the app permission to access. This step is crucial for accurate mileage tracking. After permissions are granted, you will see the main dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the features available. To start tracking your mileage, simply drive as you normally would. MileIQ will automatically log your trips in the background. At the end of each trip, you can categorize it as personal or business. Simply swipe left or right to make your selection. To view your mileage reports, return to the main dashboard. Tap on the Reports tab to see detailed trip summaries. You can customize your reports based on date ranges. When ready to export your mileage, select Export. Choose your preferred format before saving your report. This completes your tutorial on downloading and using MileIQ for mileage tracking in real estate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.